Today's unboxing is an item called Power Bank. Made in China. Power Bank 25,000 milliamp hour and other devices. New, and then some Chinese characters. Has a picture on the end of the box for iPad, GPS, phones. Looks like some game systems. And there's a few more specs on the back side with reliability and safety ratings and all that. So let's get this open and see what we got inside. Okay, so far the packaging looks really nice. This is the power bank itself. Looks like we have 3 USB-A's, a micro, and a USB-C. Comes with a pretty hefty instruction book. Looks like it has a few languages on here. And then a nice short micro USB for charging the device. And it has a nice digital readout to show you how much power is in it.